Okay, water. Yep, still just as bad as ever. See, this looked worse in the dark, but I think everything does. I didn't turn off the engine there, cut out. I just want to make sure she's running right for going through this. I don't really care if it's idling too high, better than too low. Oh yeah, it's pretty deep. This is great. Ah, I should put on waterproofs. These are my Kevlar jeans, but I don't have any of the clean jeans, so I've got to wear these all day. I've got to take my dog to the vet in about an hour. See, so yeah, where that boat is where the river usually starts. Yeah. I'll do this, but I'm going to be really careful that I don't actually drive into the river. Or drive. Oh shit, that's deep. Oh, I didn't think that through. Oh Jesus. At least these boots are waterproof. I kind of want to drive through that, but I need to plan it. I think it gets really deep at those benches. Yeah, that's pretty bad. Oh, there's a cemetery back up there. I'm not going to go up there. I might. My boots are wet, my jeans are wet. Alright. Oh yeah, this is great. Oh shit, that's like up to my gear shift. Well, the air intake is like really high, it's under the back seat. I reckon we should drive really fast through this. Oh, there's people trying. I'll let them go. There's not much down there. What's the deep bit like? Oh shit, there's mud at the side of the road, I forgot, better watch for that. Oh shit! Oh no! Oh no, we're in the mud! Oh, that's not really not good! Oh shit! Oh. I'm an idiot. There's some other spots down here where you can get by the river. I just want to see how flooded it is. Oh yeah, my kill switch doesn't work either. In there was like mud and water over there, but you used to be able to drive in and then up that. It was really awkward though. None of that isn't open. There's another way in that I might try, but it's just wide enough to walk in, and I don't know if I'll be able to get in. Like, I think the foot pegs would catch. Now I wonder if I'll be able to drive in here. Or is it in there? Yes, I will. Yeah, no. I just put on my brake there and skidded, so that is not worth it. It's even too slippy to do that. Oh. Ooh. Grip. Grip. Ugh. Come on. Oh! That was in here. But you have to like drive up this, which I don't know if I tried it before. In like this. I think we should. Yeah, that'll make it. No bother. Whoa. Oh god, my Cena's telling me intercom's failed. I accidentally hit the button. Ooh. Yeah, I'm glad I know I can get in here now, because the other way was way too hard to get in. Oh yeah, there's a big hole over there. Yeah, we're not going through that, because I know from being in here before how deep some of these things can be. There's another big hole there. But we can go up this way. Puddle! Yeah, the lake is coming in fucking way far. Wonder how deep this puddle is. For a puddle, that's quite deep. This means I just don't have to wash the bike now. This is great. But it also means I don't have to wash myself because I got a nice shower. Fucking lovely. Forgot how fucking rocky this was. It's really bad. Whoop. Well, how deep is that? Well, we'll just go along the edge and we'll see. Like, you know, just to get through it. It's good practice for it if I decide to do the Mongol Rally on this thing. River crossings. Oh yeah, it's fine. Okay, maybe not. Ow! That was a strong plant. My poor tyres. They're only road tyres. I mean, once you go in, you can't really come back. Yeah, that's too deep. Gonna need to turn. Even that's a bit too deep. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Sorry, bike. Ah! No! No! The horror! That's gonna need more fucking zip ties to tie that back on. Anyway, YouTube, I think I've done enough damage for one day off, you know, trying to hydrolock my bike and tearing my fairing off. But this is really relaxing. We're going a nice 40 kilometers an hour, just tipping along, just enjoying life. It's like that scene from Sons of Anarchy. I hope there's not going to be a truck coming out of nowhere now.